looting bottle stores, now a familiar scene in parts of the Western Cape. During level 4 of the lockdown, the break-ins even prompted a visit by Police Minister Bheki Cele. The governing party in the province has slammed the latest ban, saying it's destroying the hospitality industry. The DA has threatened to challenge it in court.
There's no correlation between COVID-19 and alcohol. There isn't. There are social ills, that's true, to do with alcohol. But the objective of why they're saying they're banning alcohol is because of the coronavirus. And I'm saying that that's not a scientific, it's not based on science. If there are other social ills, those ills must be treated. Those ills must be addressed. And I'm saying, where have the police been all along? Where have the traffic police been to curb drunk driving? All these kind of things they should be dealing with.
The DA says at least 300,000 jobs have been lost in the hospitality industry and several restaurants have shut down. As the debacle around alcohol continues, the tobacco industry also took to the streets on Saturday. Pro-smokers gathered outside Parliament under the watchful eye of the police, demanding the unbanning of tobacco products.
People's rights have been taken away. Laws are unjust. There's no justification behind some of the laws that have been passed. The opposition parties have asked for justification around the laws, science behind the laws, and our government does not provide with the justification, with the scientific evidence. We're the only country in the world. We're the only country in the world. Why?
I haven't seen any that definitively proves whether tobacco causes people who smoke, who catches coronavirus, to require more beds or become more unhealthy or recover less in terms of take longer time to recover than people who don't smoke.
After presenting their petition to Parliament, they continued their tobacco drive on their two-wheelers. On Friday, hundreds of restaurant owners, suppliers, service providers and workers also gathered here, demanding the lifting of the ban on liquor sale as well as the 9 p.m. curfew. Manilis Tubase, SABC News, Parliament.
Meanwhile, the Orange Movement embarked on a nationwide slow drive protest today, driving their unhappiness with the ban on the sale of tobacco products home. It's accused the government of disregarding the detrimental effect of the ban on the economy and on the livelihoods of those in the sector and the psychological impact on addicts. Our reporter Offensive Sidemo has more.
Braving the morning chill to take a public stand against the cigarette ban. Clad in orange, showing solidarity with farmers and professionals in the tobacco industry, protesters embarked on a slow drive on the N1 to highlight the plight of smokers.
That knock-on effect in terms of the economy and joblessness and income disparity is a big concern. And I don't think at all that government has considered that.
We're buying illicit cigarettes there's a reason that they're illicit. They're not healthy. So we're fighting for ourselves.
Moving at a snail's pace, the convoy left some motorists frustrated while others hooted in support. Protesters are most disheartened by the indefinite nature of the ban.
As I'm standing amongst all these people, I must tell you, I'm a criminal at this moment for smoking.
I'm not happy about the ban. I'm feeling it's taking away our human rights.
Organizers say they are not discouraged by the Pretoria High Court ruling, which dismissed Fair Trade Independent Tobacco Association's application for leave to appeal a ruling upholding the ban. The British American Tobacco Company is expected to oppose the ban through the courts in August. Offensive Sidemo, SABC News, Pretoria.
To Mpumalanga now, where the